He's got to try to get this left arm. See his left arm now. Vladimir's wants to open that as wide as he possibly can, but this is getting tight. Oh, he did enough. He did enough to break that. You saw the grimace on Vladimir's face.
Oh, the rock will expire. Taylor basharat is going to move to 12-0 as a pro fighter and keep the Basharat brothers undefeated. Strong work over the course of 15 minutes. We'll get the official decision when we come back.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the scorecards. All 3 judges see it. 30-27 for your winner by unanimous decision. He is still undefeated versus
I'm here with the winner, Farid Basharat. Farid, congratulations. That was a stunning performance. And talk about sticking with the game plan. Tried to take him down. He defended many, many times, but eventually you managed to do so and to keep him down.
Yeah, I'm not sure if people understand how good Taylor Lapilus is. I knew for a fact how good he was. That's why I was training my butt off, and he showed it today, man. He's good. He's very good. Thank you to Taylor. You leveled me up today.
Yeah, no, it was certainly a high output. Tell me about the training camp, because to continue that kind of pace throughout 15 minutes, that really is impressive.
Thank you. Yeah, my training camp, insane. I have an insane work ethic. I got an insane team. I want to thank everybody, all of them. Dewey, Jake, Javid. I want to thank everybody. Sorry, just a quick message. Palestine, keep fighting. We've not forgotten about you. We love you. Stay strong. And one more thing to all my Afghans. افغانانو مننه تاسو ملاتړي لپاره ما او جاوید هر کلم د تاسو نمائندګي کوو ټول نړۍ ته معلومه ده چې موږ څومره خلک یو تاریخ کې موږ تر اوسه نه د بایللې په جنګ کې دا حقیقت ده او ان شاء الله خدای وکړي ما او جاوید دواړه به قهرمانان سو ان شاء الله.
With that win, you are now 3-0 in the UFC, still undefeated. Is there anybody that you've got in mind for your next fight? Any name you want to give us?
Anybody can get it. Anybody can get it. It's the Basharat show. Like my brother says, you can come fight us now, or you can fight down the line where we're going to be 100 times better. So, up to you guys. Pick poison.
Well, we look forward to it. A great display of mixed martial arts. Ladies and gentlemen, show your appreciation. Farid Basharat.
So the younger brother makes good in 2024. There's his older brother Javid, who is getting ready for Ayman Zahabi. That matchup will go down in Saudi Arabia March 2nd as they look to keep those zeros in the loss column.